So when you look at this question, you can see that there is one aldehyde with no alpha hydrogen. There is another aldehyde with no alpha hydrogen. So this is a Cannizzaro reaction, but we can't judge that which will undergo oxidation and which will undergo reduction. So what to do? One option is, our friend Soumya is saying the smaller one will undergo oxidation. But why? Can we figure out that? So the logic is lying in the mechanism. If you see the mechanism, what was the first step? The first step was OH minus was getting added to the carbonyl group, right? So smaller the group, do we know that smaller the group, there will be less steric hindrance for the nucleophile to come and get attached? More reactive the aldehyde when it is smaller. So more reactive aldehyde would undergo the addition of the OH minus first. And whichever was allowing the OH minus to come and get attached first was getting oxidized, if you remember. So in nutshell, you can say that the smaller aldehydes are what? They are more reactive. And since they are more reactive, they will allow the OH minus addition, nucleophilic addition happens, right? So nucleophilic addition is going to happen faster, because of which what you're going to get is HCO minus, OH gets attached here and you get this H, right? Now you know that the next step is going to be the hydride transfer, okay? And if you're doing the hydride transfer, this comes back here, this transfers to the other one, and now you have this pH, C double bond OH, right? So this comes here, pH, C, O minus, this H has come from the hydride transfer, the rate determining step, the slow step. So H is here, this H was already here, and this O minus, wherever you see, will be accompanied by the Na plus for the charge neutrality, and then you know that there is a proton transfer. So HCO minus Na, right? So this is what you get, O minus Na, double bond O. So the smaller one has changed into the sodium salt of the carboxylic acid. The one which is less reactive towards nucleophilic addition has undergone reduction. The one which is more reactive towards nucleophilic addition has undergone oxidation, is the moral of the story. So our products will be HCOO minus Na plus, sodium salt of formic acid, and benzyl alcohol. So if you have questions with two different aldehydes with no alpha hydrogen, you can decode it very simply. These are very interesting questions, and I'm sure that such cross Cannizzaro questions are now high definition crystal clear, right? Huh?